We are Still Lead, a leading 100% Colombian brand. In our metalworking area, we process part of our raw materials, such as steel sheets, aluminum profiles, and acrylic glass. We use specialized cutting, punching, bending, and welding equipment to manufacture the chassis and structures of our products. We offer resistant and anti-corrosive finishes through the handling of electrostatic paint, allowing us to give quality to our products with an infrastructure within reach of our productivity. The manual assembly of luminaires is carried out by qualified personnel, laser marking, verification with bathymeters, and equipped stations to guarantee the quality of the product. Our warehouse ensures efficient storage and inventory control for project. Our logistics operation is responsible for coordinating the shipment of orders and tracking each delivery. With efficient processes, we ensure that each luminaire arrives on time, nationally and internationally. Commitment that moves with each project. From technical innovation to the final solution, our engineering team creates luminaires adapted to the real needs of each space. From the administrative area and together with our design team, we provide professional advice on each project. We comply with the technical of each sector and offer a quality service backed by a human, technical, and commercial group committed to excellence. In our laboratory, we control and verify each product to ensure safety, performance, and regulatory compliance. At Still Lead, we transform spaces with technology, design, and precision in every detail.